Hello once again guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day so far. So what we're going to be talking about in this video today is an update for the passive income that I earned in the month of March 2019. And I can't remember exactly the number from the last month, but we're right about in the same range here where I'm making almost $1,000 every single day in passive income from the different affiliates related to my YouTube channel, as well as my blog and also the large Instagram account that I own. And so I'm definitely looking forward to reaching that number there where I'm at basically $1,000 per day passive, basically from things that are not actively involving my time. Now, is this all of my income? Absolutely not. I also have, some dividend income from the stock market that I don't count. I also have earnings from YouTube because when people watch my YouTube videos and you watch the ads before them, I also earn a substantial amount of ad revenue from my channel. And I also am going to be launching an affiliate marketing course in the next couple of weeks or maybe month or two here. And so that will also be an additional revenue source for the channel. So the only ones that I'm counting here on this list are the ones that I would consider to be truly passive, meaning that in the month of March, I didn't do anything to really promote these things. This is all conversions that are coming from my pre-existing videos or blog articles or promotions that are being run on my Investing Simple Instagram account. Now you might be asking yourself, well, wait a second, if I'm running promotions on my Instagram account, doesn't that make this active income? But my Instagram accounts are fully managed, and so I pay somebody else to run those things on my behalf. And so it's still passive income for me because I'm not the one who's actively, going on Instagram and posting these different things. So anyways, let's get right into it here, go over the list. And at the end, I'm going to be taking 3 of your comments from the last video and answering your questions about affiliate marketing. So that being said, if you guys have any questions and you want me to answer it in the next month's update, go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to include that in the next video. Okay, and as always, these are in no particular order here, but starting off, number 1 on the list here is one of those robo-advisors that I am affiliated with, and we did $1,300 of commissions in the month of March. Number 2 on the list here, we have a crowdfunded real estate investing platform, and that was $1,700 for the month of March. Now that is substantially higher than it was in the month of February and also January. And the main reason behind that is because we are getting more and more conversions from my Investing Simple blog. That is the topic that we're focusing in right now on, is crowdfunded real estate investments. And so we're starting to see some of the fruits of our labor there, and we're getting more conversions for these different crowdfunded real estate investing platforms. I'm affiliated with 2 different ones. We're hoping to add more as we branch out, but we are seeing that number grow and we're beginning to make more and more money from the blog. And that's going to make sense a little bit more when I tie in some of the comments I got from you guys from the last video. So I'm going to save some of my thoughts on that. Next up, one of the smallest ones on the list here is a peer-to-peer lending platform that I'm affiliated with. We earn $10 per lead, so when somebody signs up and drops their name and email, it's a $10 commission in my pocket. We did $60, so obviously, not a ton of money, but it's gas money or whatever you want to say there. And that's basically from one video review I did of this platform almost a year ago. I'm still making anywhere from $60 to, in some cases, $150 per month, just from one video. So that's what's cool about affiliate marketing, is you make a video once and then it could potentially earn you money for the next 2-3 years or more. Now, eventually, yes, I will have to replace that video, but it does have the potential to earn you money for quite a long period of time based on how much effort you initially put in. Moving on, we have one of the big ones here, a cutting-edge brokerage account that I'm affiliated with. They're a fee-free investing platform. $5,300. I earn $100 per funded account, over $1,000. So when somebody opens an account and deposits $1,000 or more, I earn a $100 commission. And believe it or not, 53 people in the month of March did that, so I earned a commission of $5,300. Next on the list is a course creation platform that I use. A lot of us are familiar with it, and that was $678.93. That one's a little bit higher than usual. And the reason is because I sold an annual plan in the month of March, so I earned like 30% of a $997 plan. So that was a little bit higher than we typically see it here in this report. Moving on, we have Amazon affiliate links. I wasn't really doing a ton of promotion of Amazon this month. We did 201.82, and again, most of that is coming from the description of my YouTube videos where I link to different books or products that I recommend, and also Audible bounties. We earn a decent amount from that as well. Moving on, another brokerage account I'm affiliated with, that was $4,415. Next on the list is one of these larger influencers I've done a collaboration with on the channel, $6,582 in the month of March. And then we have a trading educational platform that I am affiliated with, $695.25 for the month of March. Another influencer affiliate, $498.50. And then we have yet again another influencer affiliate who teaches people about Instagram, $1,882.74. And then there was also a new one on this list here, which is an Amazon educational platform from a close friend of mine. We launched that collaboration back in March. And so in March, we did $1,886.55 of total commissions. The revenue was a lot higher, but it's a 50-50 split. So that was my cut there on that deal. And then finally, we have a $50 commission from a second crowdfunded real estate investing platform. We actually had one last month too. I forgot to add to this list, but I now have 2 crowdfunded real estate affiliates, and I'm looking to build that list out here, hopefully in the next coming months here, as I focus on that on my blog and put more emphasis on that and build that out as a larger revenue stream. Because right now, like 95%, I would say 90 to 95% of my affiliate earnings are coming from YouTube. The other 5 to 10% is coming from my blog or my Instagram, and I would like to see those numbers be a little bit more balanced out, just because I do have a lot of risk in that situation. If YouTube were to go under, or if YouTube were to ban affiliate marketing, obviously that is a decent chunk of my business here. So I'm looking to diversify more, and that is why I've been putting more and more effort and energy into my Investing Simple blog. Okay, so that gives us a grand total here for March of $25,250.79 of purely passive income that I'm earning from my business, not counting anything from the stock market, not counting YouTube ad revenue, not counting course sales, or any other random odds and ends like that. So obviously, quite a good month here, and I'm expecting, to have months going forward that are breaching, $30,000 of purely passive affiliate income coming forward. Now, there are 3 new affiliates that I'm going to be working into my program here. Number 1 is Fiverr. I use that service religiously, probably even 2 or 3 times a month. I'm ordering something on there. They reached out to me and they said they wanted me to be an affiliate, so I'm going to be incorporating them. Second of all, Aweber, that's an email marketing service that I'm using, and so I'm going to be doing some content around Aweber. And then third of all, SiteGround, that is my web host for my blog. I also became a member of their affiliate program. So those are 3 new affiliates I'm going to be adding, and hopefully they'll be earning me commission in the coming months here, and I can add them to this report. Okay, so that wraps up the section there on the earnings. We're going to now jump over and answer 3 questions I got from you guys in the past videos related to affiliate marketing. But before we do that, I just wanted to mention, if you guys are interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, the main reason why I'm able to do this is because I have, 3 large audiences on YouTube, as well as on my Instagram page, Investing Simple, and the blog that I own. And so you have to build an audience in order to be successful with affiliate marketing. So I've put together a completely free guide. It's a 5-step blueprint on how to build your tribe or start building your audience online. That's going to be the top link in the description below. I've had a lot of people give me some great feedback on that. It's a pretty comprehensive guide, especially for something I'm giving away for free. And I'm going to be sending that to you over Facebook Messenger if you're interested. Top link in the description below. Okay, so question number 1 here comes from Enzo Hugh. He says, without a doubt, it's only a matter of time before you get too big on YouTube and become unable to read every comment. That time has not come yet. I still do my best to read over all the comments that I'm getting here. Before that happens, I would like to ask you if you can share how you established affiliate relationships with other businesses. As you mentioned, you have affiliate relationships with investing platforms, other influencers, maybe a tutorial video on this topic. Mainly what I did here is I reached out to these brands that I was already working with. So basically investing platforms that I already knew of or I was already using myself, and I reached out to them and I said, hey, you know what? I love your product. I'm really supportive of what you guys are doing. Can I help you, can I help you by delivering meaningful traffic to you? And so the same thing as well with influencers. This was people that were friends of mine or people that I've met that I trust, that I know have high quality educational programs. I reached out to them and I said, hey, would you like to do some kind of, collaboration here? And this is the number one most important thing you have to understand about affiliate marketing is you have to be ethical when it comes to doing affiliate marketing, because if you put bullshit in front of people, if you put scams in front of people, you're going to have a very short-lived affiliate marketing career because nobody's going to trust you at the end of the day. And you will see a lot of people that are strictly looking to make money. Yes, you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing, but you can also make money in a very ethical way that aligns with your brand. So once you become large enough, you are going to have people reaching out to you. I get people on a daily basis looking for me to be affiliated with stuff, and I say no to like 98% of the offers just because they don't align with my brand. And I only prefer to work with influencers and companies that I'm actually, I know these people. Like I could call them up on the phone, for example, a lot of these influencers that I'm, affiliated with. And that's certainly what I would recommend, is only working with people and brands that you know and trust. Okay, question number 2 is a really good one that relates to when we were talking about my blog and how I'm working on focusing more on that lately. And it's from Ramon, and it says, I want to know, how do you hedge/insure your income? And so primarily 2 different ways. Number 1, I save a boatload of cash. I think I have somewhere around $70,000 of just liquidity right now in my Ally bank account. And I plan on building that up to like $100,000. Some people would argue that's a lot of money to have sitting there in cash. But obviously, with Ally Bank, I'm able to protect my buying power against inflation, and I'm comfortable with having that money sitting there. The reason why I do that is because, I feel that if everything was washed away tomorrow and I had $100,000 just sitting there to live off of, that could probably sustain me for 2 or 3 years easily, which is plenty of time to build another business or get back on my feet and figure out what I need to be doing. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing is, these skills don't go away. Once you understand how to do affiliate marketing, how to build a niche specific blog or an affiliate blog, that doesn't go away. And you can apply that knowledge to any different niche out there. So that's number 1. I keep a lot of cash. I have a very large emergency fund. Number 2, the second thing I do to ensure my income is I diversify across different platforms. So I am pretty heavily reliant on YouTube, but that's why I'm working more and more on building out this blog. And so I have my Investing Simple Instagram, my Investing Simple blog, and my YouTube channel. And over time, I'm gonna, try to be relying more and more on my blog and less on the YouTube channel for the passive income. But right now, it is pretty heavily reliant on YouTube, and that's a risk that some people are just not comfortable with. But I feel that YouTube is a relatively consistent platform now, and I don't really see these numbers going away anytime soon. But if they did, that's why I save a lot of cash. Okay, question number 3 is a really good comment here from Samuel Everett. He said, how long did it take to start making money in affiliate marketing? I'm in for the long haul. Well, first of all, the fact that you said you're in for the long haul is definitely a good sign, because you have to be dedicated for a very long time to really get this going. I'm about, 2.5 years in on this whole YouTube online business. Been doing it full time since June of 2017, so coming up on 2 years. And it really took me, I would say, close to 2 years to hit that mark where I was consistently making, more than I was making at my old job. Now there are some months where I'll make my year's salary in a month, which is absolutely crazy. But it really does take a while to not only learn these skills, but also implement them and build an audience. So I would say if you're serious about it and if you're really committed to it, you could get up and running with affiliate marketing in about maybe 3 to 6 months. Probably for most people 6 months. If you really bust your butt, maybe 3 months. And I'm talking about just starting. Like maybe in 3 months you can build $100 a month of passive income. This stuff doesn't happen overnight. This is, months and months of building and establishing that ranking authority and being able to earn these commissions that I do. But if you're in it for the long haul, I think affiliate marketing is 100% the best business you can start right now. And once it's up and running, man, it's a lot of money coming in for very little effort. I didn't do anything in the month of March with any of these affiliates, and I still earned, close to $1,000 per day. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed this update. Make sure you guys leave me some comments down below for some questions I can answer in the next month's update. And don't forget, the top link in the description below is that free 5-step blueprint if you want to start learning about building an audience and building a following online. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.